In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Google Keep headers in Google Slides. This quick and easy process will help you personalize your notes with unique headers, adding a splash of creativity to your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Google Apps. You'll find this by locating the grid icon in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. Once you click on that, it brings down a drop-down menu with all your Google services. From here, you should select Google Slides. If you don't see it right away, just scroll down a bit until it shows up. Now that you're in Google Slides, click on the option to open a blank presentation. This will give you a clean slate to design your custom header just the way you want. Next up, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll see the Insert tab there. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Word Art. This option will give you a text box where you can type in your note title. Go ahead and type the title you want your Google Keep note to display prominently at the top. Once your title is in place, you can get creative with colors, highlight your word art, and you'll see options to change the text color, or even add a fill color for a more vibrant header that stands out. Experiment with these settings until you get a look that you love. Moving along, we want to enhance our header with some additional imagery to give it a unique touch. So, let's return to the Insert tab once more. This time, choose the image option, followed by Search the Web. A sidebar will open up on the right side of your screen, letting you search for the perfect icon or image to incorporate into your design. Enter a keyword into the search bar that suits your note's theme or purpose, and scroll through the results until you find an icon you like. Click on the image to select it, and then hit Insert to drop it onto your slide. You can adjust the positioning and size of the image to fit seamlessly with your word art. When your design is just right, it's time to export it. Click on File in the top left, go down to Download and select PNG image. This file format will give you a high quality image perfect for web use. Now, head over to Google Keep by opening it from your Google Apps menu. Click on Take a Note to start a new entry. From there, use the Add Image button to upload the custom header you just created. You can also change the note's background color to complement your newly added header further. Finally, once everything looks perfect and matches your vision, click on Close. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom Google Keep header in Google Slides, ready for use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I encourage you to explore different designs and styles for all your notes. Thanks for joining me, and